Hello, my name is Alfredo, and this is Off the Strip, where I introduce you to places just minutes off the Las Vegas Strip or take you on one of my adventures. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. More information is listed below. It is our first night in Budapest, and now we're just walking across this awesome bridge to meet up with the rest of the crew. So we'll check back with you in a little while.
Budapest.
So we are in Amsterdam right now, heading over to our gate to connect us to Budapest. Spacious elevator. So we've just arrived at our hotel. This is our street. It's really cool. The river's right there. We're walking over to Joe's and Rose's hotel right now. We're going to have some dinner. The Danube River splits the city into two sides, the Buda side and the Pest side. Together, they make Budapest. By the time we arrived to Budapest, it was definitely dinner time. We were so hungry that I forgot to take pictures and videos of this restaurant and the food. But it's the first place I've ever tried goulash, and I liked it very much. After dinner, we decided to walk over and check out the original ruin bar, Szimpla Kert. Ruin bars are converted buildings in the Jewish district of Budapest. They were rundown buildings that were ready to be demolished, but instead, a group of entrepreneurs decided to renovate these buildings and turn them into community bars where locals, and now tourists, can grab a drink in a unique environment. These quirky, mismatched furniture, eclectically decorated bars are now part of the Budapest nightlife. We are at Szimpla Kert. If you ever find yourself in Budapest, find this ruin bar. It's in a small street, but it's well known. Ask anyone, Google map it, whatever. Worth the trip. The vibe is really fun. People are super friendly. Drinks are pretty good. Inexpensive to drink. It's a lot of fun. Make sure you come out to Szimpla Kert in Budapest.
It's almost midnight and we're still a mile from our hotel. Good luck.
So this bar turned into the meeting spot for a nightcap at the end of every night. We called it St. Giles because we didn't know what it was called, and St. Giles was our meeting spot in Edinburgh. Okay, so it's after midnight. We've had a lot of drinks.
Too many cocktails.
And we still gotta walk home.
Over the bridge.
Over the bridge. And hopefully we don't get shanked and dumped into the Danube River. And
Feeling pretty confident.
but I'm pretty good. So hopefully we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. All jokes aside, we felt very safe walking at night in Budapest. Please help me out by clicking that like button if you haven't already, because it does help with the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram. Having a pina colada on the Danube River